it's a way to reuse and rehabilitate some ancient knowledge that was passed on from generation to generation, and that got lost somewhere after the Second World War, where people start thinking that they could solve all their farming challenges with chemicals.
Et toi, tu lis aussi?
So you're gonna have fruit days, flower days, root days, and leaf days. So typically, if you want to work the ground, do plowing, etc., it's more interesting to do it on a root day. It's gonna have more impact. And for us, the bottling, for instance, we would bottle most of our wines on fruit days to have more fruit expression in the wines.
Yes.
Yes, this is wonderful.
J'aime bien, on a un bon retour généralement.
En fait, pendant la course, on fait à la fois des sujets sport et puis des sujets un peu plus culture, gastronomie,